Hello Cancer, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your love reading from 16th September to 30th September. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Sorry, I'll just pick up this card. And this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well. Messages could resonate. So let's start, Cancer. I'll just pull out the cards first. Temperance. So balance and patience. This is you, Cancer. There is a certain situation in your life in which you are trying to balance out. You are being patient with the situation. Here, you are trying to go with the flow. Your life, you are trying to get back into that balance mode. Here, this is what I get, Cancer. This is the overall energy here for you. Let's see what else. So Cancer, what else for Cancer love? The Hierophant here. So it seems that there is a commitment. I will clarify this card. It's regarding a commitment. Maybe you wanted a commitment from your person. You wanted a long-term relationship with your person. You wanted to get married and get engaged to your person here. With this Hierophant card, this is a strong foundation card, so this talks about commitment here. So we'll clarify this card. What is this Hierophant about? What is this Hierophant about? Yeah, so it seems your person here, you can see 10 of Wands here, was feeling burdened with this relationship. Your person felt like this relationship was a burden, or maybe it could be your energy too in some cases. So like they were feeling burdening, they were like, they were basically did not want commitment. Maybe they were just trying to, have a good time with you. They were not so serious about this relationship, and this commitment issue started bothering your person here. This is what I get. Like they weren't ready for this commitment. This is what I get. Of course, they were feeling overburdened with this. What else for Cancer here? 10 of Swords. So it seems that Cancer, you have gone through, because you got this Temperance card here, so you have gone through a lot of pain, lot of backstabbing, deceit, whatever you can say with this 10 of Swords here. But it's getting over now. From this 10 is a completion number of, completion of this cycle. So a new cycles begin with you. So it could be, whatever will clarify this. So let me clarify this 10 of Swords energy here. Why is the 10 of Swords here? Maybe your person, because I see that burdening, that overburdening. 10 of Wands also, it was like they were feeling burdened, so maybe they just moved on. This is one of the thing, that they were in no commitment zone. They were feeling burdened by this, so they just left you. They did cheated or cheated not, I mean, they must have left this relationship. This is what, and you have hurt badly. This is what I am getting with these cards. Now let's see what else. I will clarify this. Clarify 10 of Swords. So this 10 of Swords, like, it's coming with the 6 of Wands. So the Swords and Wands, these are conflicting energies here. You can see conflicting. They do not element wise, they do not gel well. So it talks about they wanted attention. They wanted attention from others. Your person wanted attention from others. They were flirtatious. They didn't want to be stuck to one person here, because you got this card also before. That's why did not want to commit, and they wanted other options too in their life. This is what I get here. Or maybe they were seeing someone else, so they weren't happy with the attention that committed attention from one person. Maybe some of your person could also be a player, Cancer. This is what I get here. So this is what I get. Let's see what else. I'm just looking at the cards that I haven't missed anything here. So Yeah, so you are feeling stuck, you are feeling you are feeling stuck, you do not know what to do now, you have you don't know what will be the next move. So you are in that same you want to come out of this, but you do not know what to do here. So let me clarify. It's Four of Pentacle. It is a Capricorn card or a Virgo. It's an earth energy, it could be here. So let's see what's there. Four of Pentacles. Again it shows here, I mean, there is a difficult that you wanted commitment. This is like commitment, but your person wants independence. They want this, they want this. They are attention seekers, so they do not want to be committed in a relationship. So here also you are stuck with this commitment issue here. They are not going to commit to you, Cancer, here. So I'll just pull out a last card here. It seems that they want you, but they do not want to commit. This is what I get here. They want you, but they do not want to commit. They want to be like in that clear energy or attention seeking energy here. Page of Swords. So there is a message coming to you, Cancer. A small message it will be. It will not be something that you can decide on, but there is some communication coming from your person. Of course they are a player, but they do not want to leave you, and they don't want to let you move forward, because you are using a lot of balance and patience now. You are trying to go with the flow, although you have a lot of pain and sorrow here, but there is a communication coming here. This is what I get. So this is what there is communication coming here. This is what I get. You both will have some communication, but it's a page energy. You cannot trust what's happening. You cannot decide the future of the relationship on this. So let me pull a card for singles here for Cancer. I feel growth will come, because there you have this Temperance card. For some of you there will be a growth. Page of Pentacle, Temperance, Page of Pentacle, Hierophant, because these are two major arcana cards. So maybe in the long term you have this major arcana cards here. In the long term, not immediately, some reconciliation could happen. For some of you there could be commitment, but not in these September energies and all. It might be something in months to come here. This is what I get. Let me pull out the singles. What is there for singles? Singles. So some singles, there is somebody from your past coming back to you. So again here, if it's singles, or it could be you could take it as a general, that some past person you were in love with, who was your friend or ex-lover. There is someone who's nostalgic about you, who's thinking about you, and might come back into your life. So you have Six of Cups here. So this is it. So singles, reach out to your friends, or they will reach out to you, or your exes, and this is what is the status of your relationship. So this is it, Cancer. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel, like, and thanks for taking your time out and watching the video.